श्री परमात्मने नमः। श्रीमद् भगवद गीता अध्याय 12 भक्ति योग श्लोका 5 क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखं देहवद्भिरवाप्यते. The biggest challenge lies within those who fixate on the unknown, for it is incredibly tough for individuals trapped in their physical form to grasp the intangible. In the very first shloka of this Bhakti Yoga Adhyay, Arjuna asked the Supreme Lord which path is better, the one where devotees dedicate their minds to you, or the impersonal Brahma. In this shloka, Lord Krishna reveals that both the paths, worshipping the Saguna, personalized, and Nirguna, impersonal Brahma, ultimately lead to the same goal. However, the path of Nirguna Brahma is more challenging as it requires renouncing attachment to the body and worldly desires from the very beginning. Suppose a person wants to build a house but has no clear blueprint. Now, this person's mind is attached to abstract ideas and no clear understanding of the reality. You will surely agree that without a blueprint, he is going to face a lot of challenges, confusions, and frustrations. Similarly, when our minds are attached to abstract ideas or concepts without a clear understanding or connection to reality, we experience more mental suffering. But when we have a clear understanding and connection to the Supreme Divine around us, our journey is smoother and more enjoyable. You too can build a life with purpose and clarity. Take the time to reflect on your ideas and connect with reality. Create a clear plan and blueprint for your life. Watch your challenges turn into opportunities for growth and success. Experience the joy and fulfillment that comes from living a life with purpose and direction. My dear friends, in this spiritual journey, embrace the path that resonates with your heart and know that both the paths lead to the same ultimate goal. If you choose the path of Nirguna Brahma, just like the builder without a blueprint, remember that the journey may be arduous, but the reward is immeasurable. Each one of us with pure heart is definitely capable of overcoming any obstacle, as the Divine will guide us and support us in every step of the way. Keep moving forward with faith, dedication, and an open heart, and you will surely reach the pinnacle of spiritual growth and self-realization. Remember, you have the power to create the life you want. So start building your blueprint today. Thank you for watching. Jai Shri Krishna.